Boom, welcome back to this channel. I'm Jeff Anozie, and today I'm bringing you this beautiful estate. We're driving into this amazing estate called Crytal Gardens Phase 1. Crytal Gardens Phase 1 is an estate built and developed by a company called Horizontal City Property Developers, which is one of the biggest real estate companies down here in the southeast Nigeria. And today we came to inspect the work going on right here in Crytal Garden. The rainy season has just ended, and it came with a lot of grasses and stuff, and right now work has commenced in building the road, the infrastructure within the estate, as well as the drainages and other things. Of course, the estate is parcellated, and a couple of people are already building here. Like, I'll show you a couple of buildings in a moment and show you why you need to key into this estate right now. Again, I'm Jeff Anozie, and I'm your favorite real estate consultant right here in Enugu State, Nigeria. And my goal is to bring you real estate deals on time. Yes, on time, so that you can key in on time and get it at super cheap rates. Now, here's the thing. This particular estate, as at August last year, August of 2020, this estate was at 6 million naira. And you can see even the road leading down to the estate is being worked on at the moment. Okay, Crytal Gardens is currently going for 15 million naira a plot, and it comes with a C of O. Crytal Garden has a C of O. Yes. Now, this estate is not a very big estate, so it's going to be a very compact estate with all estate features such as the perimeter fencing right around the estate. So it's going to be a gated community, and you can see the environment. Buildings are coming up. Of course, I'm going to show you in a moment. Well, when we're driving out, I'll show you other buildings happening within the environment. Like I said, this estate is inside Centenary City. Yes, like you're going to drive through the main gate of Centenary City to get into this estate. It's a buy and build. There's electricity, there's a green area. You can see some people are already started building. Now, this person is building a terrace duplex right here in Crytal Gardens Phase 1. Of course, there's a Phase 2 and there's the Phase 3 right here in Centenary. You can see another building coming up right there. Yes, this person also is building. The person bought a plot and a half, and he's building on because he needs a big compound. Of course, a plot of land here, like I said, is currently going for 15 million naira. My charge to you today is to call me now. Let's bring you here for inspection, so you can see for yourself. You can send your person, he comes, we'll bring him here for a free inspection, and you can see for yourself the environment, the road leading to the estate, very accessible. This was when we're just about to leave, and I felt like, no, let's turn around and show you the environment. This person has completed his building. This person as well is building. Now, of course, the rains has just stopped, and so there's a lot of bush everywhere. There'll be a lot of clearing here, and people can commence their building construction or building project. Look at this house. Just a few minutes, like a minute or less to Crytal Garden. So in between this house and Crytal Garden, there's supposed to be another estate. So imagine what this place will look like in the next 2 to 3 years. Just imagine what this environment will look like. A plot of land currently in Centenary is going for 25 million naira. So there's 25 million, there's 30 million just within Centenary, and this as well is in Centenary, Crytal Gardens, just behind the police station right here in Centenary. So the place is a secure environment, is safe, is motorable, is in a prime location, and in a few years from now, this place will be a highly sought after environment. Okay, so go ahead and call me now. 080